Anyone who scrolls by this is going to miss it big time. I'm Christine Till, the marketing mentress. Mentress is spelled Mentress, and I specialize with LinkedIn, guys. And I want to show you today exactly how you can target your perfect customer on LinkedIn. So watch carefully because not very many people know how to do this. So I want to make sure that you guys have this all figured out, so that when you go to find your perfect customer, you'll be able to figure it all out. So I hope you can see my screen now. This is my profile, my LinkedIn profile. And if you go up here to where you see these dots in the top right-hand corner, you click on those 9 dots. I call it my crosshatch. And then go over here to the groups. There's a little pop-up menu that'll come up. And there's on the left-hand side, the second one down, we'll say groups, and there's 3 little blue men there, little blue icons. Click on that, and you go in there, and then you'll see all the groups that you belong to, right? So you can go through, and these are all the groups that I have joined, right? You want to join groups that have at least 3,000 or more members, because you're looking for inventory, guys. This is your inventory to work with online. So you scroll down, and so let's say I'm in a bunch of groups. I don't recommend you get into more than maybe about 15 or 20 groups. It's really hard to manage all of those groups. What you need to do is realize that you can be in up to 100 different groups on LinkedIn. But I was there once, guys, and it's really hard to manage 100 groups. Yeah. And it takes so much time to post in all those groups every time you publish an article on LinkedIn, right? So you want to keep it within working distance, shall we say. So I'm going to scroll way down to the bottom. And if you go down to the bottom of the page, you'll see down here a blue word where it says search. And when I move my mouse over there, you see how a line shows up? Click on that. And now you can go and search for the kind of business or company that you want, or group, pardon me, that you're looking for. So it says groups up here, right? So you want to go, and here's the thing. When it comes to network marketing, MLM, affiliate marketing, most of the people are not really happy with the company that they're with, right? Especially in network marketing. So you want to target some of those kinds of groups where people are used to reaching out and working to build an online business. So type in the bar up here. Let's go MLM. Okay. And there's a little drop-down menu that showed up, right? In that drop-down menu, you can go to MLM, all different kinds of MLM, but they're not necessarily the kind of MLM you want, right? So let's go network marketing. Look at this, network marketing groups shows right up at the top. Awesome. Or you can go network marketing magazine, or you can go network marketing MLM and direct sales. So let's go into that one. We can check that one out. So right at the top, there's this one here that they only have 1,000 members, okay? So maybe that's not the perfect group. Oh, you got to make sure the group is highlighted up at the top here. Groups, and we've got network marketing and MLM. So there's not a lot of selection. So let's do that again. Let's go looking again. And we'll go for just network marketing. But I'm going to work through this with you guys so network marketing groups. There's quite a few network marketing groups here. So I'm going to click on the word groups again, network marketing groups. So there's quite a few groups that are available for us to choose from. Look at this, 627,000 members. Is that enough inventory for you guys? Startup specialists, network group, entrepreneurs, business startups. This is got 1 million members. So that would be a really good one. Here's 20,000 members for direct selling professionals worldwide, right? And so if it says view posts over here, that means you're already in those groups. So I'm already in these groups, okay? But if it says join, that's possibly a group that you could ask if you could join. So you always have to click on this button to ask if you could join the group, right? And then they will get back to you and let you know if they will accept you into the group, right? And you can do that with lots of different groups. And look at this, pages and pages of groups to choose from. But you've got to make sure that they have more than 3,000 members. See, this one only has 1,000. That's a very small group. The inventory is very small, right? So you want to make sure you've got the bigger groups. Here's 3K. That just barely makes it. And this has got 4K, 8K, 20K, 20K. So look for groups that have enough inventory for you to be able to work with. Because what you're going to do then, once you are in the groups, is you're going to go into those groups and invite people to connect with you on LinkedIn. So I'm going to do that in a different training video. So I hope I've answered your questions here and shown you how you can very easily choose the groups that your ideal customers are in. So this is where you'll find your perfect customers. I'm Christine Till, the Marketing Mentress, and you make it a great day.